Hey, it's Nick from T7 Training. Today we're looking at Chromebook best tips and tricks. So let's get started. Perhaps you want to have a look at all the windows you have open in your Chromebook. You press the View All Windows key, and that's going to show them all on the screen where you can close them or click the one that you'd like to look at. Nice easy way to switch between screens. And as well, you can use 3 fingers on the trackpad swiping up to do the same thing. If you want to go back to how it was before, 3 fingers on the trackpad swiping down. If that doesn't work, you might have Australian scrolling turned on, so try doing it the other way. 3 fingers swiping down to show all screens, and 3 fingers swiping up to go back to the normal view. You can find quick answers on the search button or the app launcher. You simply click the button at the bottom left hand corner and then type in what you want, like what is 2 cups in milliliters, and it's going to tell you the answer straight away. If you don't want to press the button at the bottom left hand corner, you can press the search button on your keyboard. Looks like a magnifying glass. Some Chromebooks call it the anything button, but it does the same thing. You press it, there's no need to type in the white entry box, just start typing straight away and it will do it automatically for you. To right click on a Chromebook, you press the trackpad with 2 fingers instead of 1 finger. But if you find that a bit difficult, you can also do it by holding the Alt key on the keyboard and pressing the trackpad with just 1 finger. Speaking of the Alt key, you can use it to open apps from the shelf. They're numbered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, etc. going along the bottom, with number 9 being the last one, no matter how many you have there. So if I wanted to open up number 2, I could use Alt and then 2 on the keyboard. So holding the Alt key and then pressing the number 2. If I wanted number 6, I'd use Alt and 6, etc. So these keyboard shortcuts are a very fast way to be able to open those apps on your shelf. You can rearrange these apps into an order that makes more sense for you just by dragging them around. If there's an app which isn't on the shelf and you'd like to pin it to the shelf, you can do that simply by finding the app and then right-clicking it. So here I've got Playbooks, a right-click, pin to shelf is going to put it on the shelf, and you can move it wherever you like. So there are our tips and tricks for the Chromebook. If you'd like to have a look at Chromebook keyboard shortcuts, we've got a video for that. And if you're a power user who wants to know more advanced tips and tricks, we've got a video for that as well. And down below you'll find a download where you can download our favourite keyboard shortcuts on a PDF that you can keep or print. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.